Hey YouTube, I wanted to get on here and share with you a package that I received in the mail. I was contacted by a company and they wanted me to try this product out and see what I thought about it. So here it is, Moxielash. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so here it is. It comes with, oh wow, okay. So first off, there's a carry-on bag. Keep all your lashes in. Super cute. Moxielash. And here is, what is this? This is pre-moistened olive oil cotton swabs for easy removal of Moxielash magnetic eyeliner. It says there's 30 count. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. So yeah, there are tons of these, so I am filming on my new camera. I'm not sure if I have the settings correct. So if you guys have the Canon G7X Mark II, let me know what settings you use for when you're doing your vlogging or your videos. Okay, so next I just see this liquid magnetic eyeliner and they sent me two. Open that up and see. I'm gonna try it out for you guys just to see what and how easy it is. Oh, that's pretty. It kind of looks like my, okay, so here it is. And it's super cute. And in the package, first one that I got is the Sassy Lash. Cute. Classy Lash. Flashy Lash. Okay guys, so I brought you really close. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put the liner on. I'm just gonna back up right here and do it, okay? Okay, so it says shake well before use, which I did. Start at the inner corner of your eye and lightly continue gliding your brush tip for precise stubble definition. Layer to maximize magnetic attraction and allow to dry for 1 to 2 minutes before applying your lash. Okay. So I think that looks really good. I'm still gonna let it dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry for a couple of minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I have it. It's been 1 to 2 minutes drying, and I'm gonna go ahead and show the different looks. The first ones I'm gonna use are the Sassy Lashes in the pink. That is crazy. It literally, I'm not sure if I can zoom in and let you guys see this, but look, it literally attached itself. Stop it. You really don't even need. Look at that, you guys. Can you guys see that? Okay, so this is the Classy. Let's do the other one. About, depending on where you want them, you can just literally put them down and they'll just stick to wherever you put them. Like so. And they don't feel weird at all. And they have a very tight grip. So if you see me like pull it, see how it kind of lifts my eyelid? I love that. Okay, the next one I'm gonna be using is these Sassy Lashes in the purple. And these are a little bit more dramatic. You guys, look at that. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm gonna scoot these over a little bit. Look at that. And this just blew me away. I feel like the only thing I need to work on is doing the eyeliner. Look at that. Stop, you guys. I'm in love with these. Look at this. Yeah, I feel like the only thing I would need to work on is the eyeliner. Okay guys, so I have one more to try on to let me know what you think. And have you tried something similar? I actually, when they first came out with the magnetic eyelashes, I purchased the ones that had two. So you had to put one on top and one on bottom and they kind of like stuck together. I lost, the whole time I'm out, I'm thinking I'm looking cute. I had one hanging out and I lost the bottom one. So it was not cute at all. Try is the Flashy Lashes, and these are gorgeous. I feel like these, look at this. Look how, let's see if I can show you guys. Look at that. You see that? I love that. Okay, let's try this set. And this set seems to be a little bit longer, which I like. So I feel like this set might be my to-go set. I feel like I have to work on, yeah, because my eyelashes are kind of like curling. Okay, let's try this one more time. Yeah, these are a little bit longer, which I like because, like longer, well, obviously longer this way, but longer this way I feel too. So it covers the whole eye. Like for this one, I didn't put enough eyeliner all the way across. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Look at that, you guys. I cannot even deal. I'm obsessed. Flashy Lashes are my favorite set so far. Let's do this one, and then I will give you a panned out view. Yes, look how gorgeous they are. I love them. Okay. So I was very skeptical just because of the last, oh, look at that, you guys. Yes, so these right here are by far my favorite, the Flashy Lash. Honestly, this product here, I mean, for sure, I'm gonna use these like probably on the daily just because I love them so much. Super easy to put on. I mean, and I feel like maybe it's a little too, it's a little bit too, what is the word I'm looking for? Not sticky, but trying to zoom in on that. It's not sticky. I feel like maybe I need to like dip it in like warm water to get it more at a liquid stage. Yeah, definitely I'm gonna, you know, try different techniques and stuff to learn how to get that eyeliner on better. But you guys, I'm obsessed with these. I am so glad that this company reached out to me because I'm obsessed. And I'm not even saying that, like you saw how easy it was. Look how gorgeous these are. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will go ahead and link down in the description box below where you can pick yours up. I want to personally say thank you, Moxielash. I just wanted to hop on here and do this quick review, which I am obsessed with. You guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Have you tried any of these before? But yeah, I just wanted to personally give a shout out to Moxielash. Thank you so much for letting me try these wonderful products out. Obsessed with. But anyways, if you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.